So we're here with Matthew, aka
Hi guys, we're at Alsager station on a crossing in Cheshire with Spike Collie 5, and I don't know if Shane's filming yet.
He is. He'll film the train.
This side sounds slightly different to the other side.
The time is 11:49 and Saturday 26th September, hour 11:49, 1 kilo 99 equals
These lights are low down, I can literally touch the bottom of them.
Not 374, I hope. Well, apparently it's changed, but 374.
And these lights slightly twisted as well.
Yeah. The lights are twisted and it's falling from the slant like that.
It's going a bit slanted as well. Those lights are perfect though. Wait, these are, my god, are these barriers high up? High up from the pavement.
And also you've got the missing mini skirt here, so you can just stick your hands up like that.
It's high up from the pavement and really high up from the road. Seriously, I could like roll under that now. If I wanted, I could like roll under that now. It may be against the law, but I would. But if I wanted, I would roll under. In fact, I'm quite tempted. I won't do it there because it's against the law. It's just over there.
If it is, then it would have been 376 from, because that was on survey, but it just brought.
Actually, I think 376 might have been going on for Matlock service. It drives to Nottingham and changes from Matlock.
Oh, that's wet. Unidentified liquid. Could be rat piss.
I think that's just
I think that was
Don't know why I said that. I heard on Joe Waller.
But it's fine.
We have
Double.
yeah, double through.
a double.
I think 376 might actually come look to this.
Can't see anything. I'll read it when it gets here. We have a double. $15.33.26 we have. From Derby's crew. Next stop will be crew only.
Oh, have you? I think that'd be that side. That side of it.
That's Derby,
Yeah,
this
that's
is crew.
Yeah.
That's the kid. Yeah. Next stop will be crew only on this train. Hopefully we'll stay on the other one for the next side.
I'm so glad we have to do this.
'She's leaving. 15:33.26. $15.33.26 to 15:33.02. And up they go.
Thank you guys. We're going to see you in the next video.
Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.